Here's a typical engine detail that we finished. We used degreasers and pressure wash all the interior engine compartment, going into all the little nooks and crannies, being extra careful of the electronic throttle sensor, fuse boxes, and that sort of areas to use caution on. And we basically just go in and just remove any dust, dirt, clean. Some things we clean by hand. And then we move upwards and clean the inside of the hood itself, paying extra attention to all the details and grime and grease to remove all that and have it as clean as possible.
Visit Carriage Glass and Detail for your auto detailing, dent removal, paint corrections, or auto glass replacement or repair. Carriage Glass and Detail, 900 Richmond Avenue, Houston, Texas, carriageglass.com.